Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something very interesting is happening in the last months. And it's obvious that it would happen at some point, and it has to do with a malware called Void, or it is written with a number one, so Vo1d. So Void is a malware that infects televisions, smart TVs, and Android smart boxes. So it, of course, uses any TVs that probably don't have any more security updates, including old Android boxes that a lot of people use that don't get updates also. And it turns them into a botnet that now has, as of this week, reached 1.6 million smart TVs and Android boxes. So they infect, of course, Android smart TVs and use them to create huge denial of service attacks online that can, of course, bring down websites. So this is pretty interesting because I've always thought about how time goes by, the amount of Internet of Things devices that we have that will all go obsolete and no more updates but still continue to be used will be attacked and will be attacking or even sniffing your networks. Some of these malware actually will look at anything connected on your home network to try to infiltrate and try to sniff data and get personal info. So this is scary. The countries the most affected, though, right now are countries in other parts of the world. North America is not much in that category right now. As you see here, Brazil is the number one infected country with Void, and this is as of February 25th. India second, South Africa third. No U.S., Canada in there, but you know what it means? It means that at some point it can happen. It can happen that as the smart TV revolution continues, as IoT devices continue to be used exponentially, it will be more and more of a problem. And we will get attacked by our own little devices. Almost sounds like Terminator. So one of the experts that actually was looking at this says that one of the best things you can do, if you've got an outdated IoT device that you really don't use, do take it offline. If you own a smart TV and don't use the smart TV side of it, well, maybe you should just make sure it doesn't connect to your home network. Turn off the Wi-Fi off of it and make sure it's not connected to your router through an Ethernet cable. That will prevent it from being infected and being used in some attacks or maybe even stealing data from you. So it's pretty amazing, but this is the beginning, honestly. This is the beginning. At some point, we will have a lot more problems with devices. This is why often when somebody tells me, I want to buy a smart TV, I always say, well, you know what? I'd rather have a computer that gets updated that I have some control over, connected to a standard non-smart TV, or if it is a smart TV, just not connecting the smart TV side to the internet, and just making sure that I look at all of that through a PC instead, which anyways offers so much more flexibility and than most smart TVs. But yeah, it is crazy out there. As we'll get more and more of these devices connected, more and more problems are on the way. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.